Well, you're big on simplicity in design. I think even like 5 years ago, is there a book called The Design of Everyday Things or something like that? You recommended me that book. So I'm curious, if you think about like AI right now and these coding agents, and you see Anthropic, they're like shipping a new feature every other day, and now you can't, it's like I can't even keep up with it. How do you balance the fact that now with software, with these agents and all of this stuff, you can ship things so fast, and how are you sort of balancing that with holding the line of making sure school doesn't become such a conglomeration of a bunch of new features nobody needs?
Yeah, well, the game was never to just ship a lot of stuff fast. That can lead to the end, right? Like, we could quickly end ourselves if we just went on a rampage of shipping random shit. Mm-hmm. Like, every time you add, you make it more complicated, and you can also make it worse, right? It's also hard to take away once you've added, right? Because once people start using it, right, it becomes very hard, and you can kind of become trapped. So just because we can do something doesn't mean we should. Like, we still have that philosophy and approach. And like right now, I know what people want isn't different features. It's, again, growth, engagement, right?
Yeah.
Like, who wakes up and thinks, I want a feature? Like, I'm pretty sure no one. Maybe some weirdos, but normal people don't want features. They want like actual growth or engagement, or they want it to work.
Right. They want more members.
Yeah, and they want to make money, and they want their members to show up and get value. Yeah.
So when you think about, because obviously you're in the community and you're trying to help them achieve that goal, and there could be a lot of features that you could add, et cetera. And there's some, I'm sure, that are good ideas, and some stuff, I mean, obviously you got to ship some stuff. So when you have all the things that you think, let's say you box into, are a good idea, how exactly with the engineers are you prioritizing what needs to come first versus, okay, that's maybe a good idea, but that's going to be next year, the year after, et cetera?
Yeah. Well, it's quite simple because there's a billion things, there's like infinite things we could do.
Right.
Right? But there's only like a few things we can do now. Right? And so it's always it's not about yes or no, it's about prioritization. So like, what are the most important things right now? That's all you really need to do. Right? Because once you've done those, everything changes again. Not everything, but a lot changes, right? And so it's pointless to try to be like, that's a good idea, we'll schedule it in for this time. And we don't do that. Like, our roadmap in terms of like detail is only 30 days out. Like, because things can change a lot in 30 days, right? Then we have like a list of vaguer ideas that we want to do, and those are always kind of moving in terms of priority. But in terms of like actual roadmap and what we know what we're going to do, it's not that far out into the future. That makes things a lot, like, that's the only way to deal with this, because otherwise you would go insane.
If you enjoyed this clip, you can check out the full podcast by clicking on the screen right here to check out the full episode.